Hey guys, it's Shantae here and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I did a complete wash day and style doing a twist and curl for you guys. I wanted to use some new products that I received about 2 or 3 weeks ago. These products are fairly new and I just wanted to try them out. So if you want to see how these products worked on my hair and to see how I got these bomb results, then just keep on watching. So Mielle Organics, one of my favorite hair care brands, just launched their new Oats and Honey Collection. This collection is specifically designed for those, both men and women, that have some type of sensitive scalp issue or just any issue in regards to scalp inflammation, dandruff, or just a dry, itchy scalp. These products contain no parabens, no paraffins, no DEA, no mineral oils, and no animal testing. So let's go ahead and jump into the shower. So I've had my hair in about a 2-week-old wash and go, yes, 2 weeks, and my hair is severely dry and itchy. It's time to give my hair some good, tender, loving care, so that's what we're going to do today. Here you can see I have some product buildup, some dandruff, some flakes, just a whole lot of, and it's time to go ahead and wash my hair out. So remember guys, always wash your hair. So here I'm just going to go ahead and do a little small dancey dance because I have music playing in the background. I definitely recommend having something because wash days are super long. So I went ahead and wet my hair under some water just to kind of go ahead and break up that product buildup. I also like to go ahead and put my hair into 4 sections just to make my hair a little bit more manageable. It just works the best for me. And the first product we're going to try is the Oats and Honey Soothing Shampoo. This shampoo was super runny and kind of clear, and my first impression was that it was going to be a clarifying shampoo, but to my surprise it wasn't. As soon as I put it onto my hair and scalp, it easily lathered, and I love a good lather because to me that makes it feel like my hair is getting super clean. So I'm just using the palms of my fingers to rub against my scalp just to make sure I break up that product buildup and just to get some of that debris off of my scalp. To my surprise, this shampoo was super soothing to the hair, just like it claims. It allowed me to finger detangle, which is great for a shampoo because normally I don't get that. So I've already finished one side of my hair and I'm going to go ahead and work on the other side. And bam! We have a fully shampooed head of hair. So I'm just going to make sure that I got every spot and I'm going to go ahead and wash the shampoo out. When I tell you guys my curls were popping, a shampoo that can get your curls popping, yeah, so I truly enjoyed this shampoo. It cleaned my hair. I expected nothing else from Mielle Organics. I'm just saying. So I'm putting my hair back into sections again, and now I'm using the soothing conditioner. Guys, when I say this conditioner was thick, she's thick. She's thick. She was super creamy, and don't worry about that part I dropped. I picked it up. We waste no products here. So anyway, I thought this conditioner just felt like a regular conditioner, but as soon as I put my hair under that water, like this conditioner just did a whole 180. Like it had so much slip, it made my hair feel super smooth. Like just look at that. My fingers are gliding through my hair. And that's what I look for in a conditioner. So this conditioner was already starting good with me. But I do want to let you guys know that this conditioner is infused with oats, honey, avocado, and sweet almond oil, and it claims to provide softness and moisture, and I definitely think that it does. What I look for in a conditioner is if it can detangle my hair with my fingers as well as my Felisha Leatherwood brush, and you can see it here, like it's gliding. But for real though, y'all ain't ready. Baby, look at them curls. Them curls are juicy, you feel me? Anyway, so again, I just went ahead and put some conditioner on this section as well, and you guys can easily see how I can finger detangle, like easy finger detangle. Are you serious? One thing I wanted to mention is that all of these products contain a very slight sweet smell, and they're definitely not overpowering at all. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the other two sections off camera, and here I have the conditioner in all 4 sections, and I'm going to go ahead and place my hair under this plastic cap and deep condition because this line did not contain a deep conditioner. Mielle Organics, we need a deep conditioner, thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and take my shower. And after about 15 minutes, this is what my hair looks like. My hair was super soft. It felt extremely moisturized and was very manageable. And that's what I love for a conditioner to do. I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the conditioner, but I am just going to leave just a little tiny bit in my hair because I like to keep my hair manageable even after the shower. So after my hair is rinsed, this is what my curls look like. Like I said, my hair was super soft. My curls were definitely defined and my hair just felt overall moisturized, and I was very pleased with the shampoo conditioning process. So now we're gonna go ahead and get out the shower to style. So this is what my hair looks like with no product in it. My hair still feels very moisturized and I'm very happy about that. I decided that I wanted to do something I haven't done with my hair in a while. I definitely haven't done a twist and curl, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to start off in my normal 4 sections, and the next product we're going to use is the Oats and Honey Soothing Scalp Stick. This scalp stick is meant to be applied directly to the scalp as you see me doing here. This scalp stick is created with ingredients such as oats, honey, olive, mango, and shea butters, which are essential to soothing and relieving irritation. It's a non-greasy formula that's supposed to deliver relief to dry scalp and other scalp-related conditions. So here you're just seeing me apply it directly onto my edges as well as to my scalp directly. I'm using smaller sections so it makes it easier to get to my scalp a little bit better. So my hair kind of dried out just a little bit when I was placing that scalp stick everywhere. So here I'm just using a spray bottle to re-moisturize my hair. And the next product we're going to use is the Oats and Honey Soothing Leave-In Conditioner. Now this conditioner was super milky and creamy in texture, and it was actually a lightweight product. And I thought I was gonna need a little bit more, but you only really need like a quarter-sized amount for your entire section. So it does say to saturate each strand of hair using the conditioner, and you may use it as a styler or to refresh your curls. So I actually may end up doing that later on. So that's a good thing to know. But here you can see the conditioner actually started to really make my curls pop. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this conditioner to all 4 sections. So now that the leave-in has been applied to all 4 sections, the last thing we're going to use is the Oats and Honey Smoothing Hair Balm. This hair balm is lightweight in texture. It is also white and creamy as well. It's a little bit thicker than the leave-in conditioner. But anyway, it claims that it smooths the hair while providing moisture, leaving the hair soft and shiny, which I can also attest to that, which you'll see at the end. So I am going to show you guys a few times of how I actually do the twist and curl. So I'm using about a dime-sized amount for each medium section that I'm going to use, and I'm going to fully incorporate that, making sure that I'm smoothing it in and making sure I'm not missing any hair strands. So with this styler, I definitely don't think I can do it with a wash and go, but under a gel maybe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to 2-strand my hair about halfway and make sure when you're twisting that it's super tight so that it doesn't unravel. But once I get about halfway, I'm going to smooth the ends of my hair, use a perm rod and make sure it's fully snugged and make sure that you cover your ends with your hair. And then I'm going to use this winding motion to bring it up to about 2 inches of hair left and clasp it, and that's how you do a twist and curl. So I'm going to show you guys a few more times just how I do it very slow. This is in real time so you can get the gist of it. I'm not good at explaining how to do it, but hopefully you guys can get a good idea with the motions that I have. So again, you want to twist your hair about halfway down, making sure that you're twisting snugly to make sure it doesn't unravel. Then you're going to smooth the hair down to the ends, get a perm rod and roll your hair up to leave about maybe 1.5 inches or 2 inches left. Clasp it, and there you go. So I'm going to let you guys continue to watch. So I completely finished my entire head, putting in all the twists and the perm rods. I would say this took me about 30 minutes to do since this is a very simple and easy style. I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry overnight, and I will see you guys in the morning for the takedown. So it's the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and take off the bonnet off of my head. If you guys want to know where I got this bonnet, just know if you buy the entire collection with Mielle, you get it sent to you for free. So here I'm going to go ahead and take down the first perm rod, and I wanted to show you guys just how shiny and bouncy this curl is. But I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the perm rods from my head. So all of the perm rods have been removed, and I just wanted to show you guys just how super soft and shiny my hair is. Like, that hair balm is really the truth. So I'm going to coat my hair in some oils just to make sure when I'm separating my hair that I don't cause any necessary frizz. You'll see in the next clip that I was going to separate the twists one by one, but I got impatient and I just decided to just separate whatever. But I do want to let you guys know the reason why I'm doing this twisting motion at the end is just to make sure I don't cause any necessary frizz, and I want to keep the curls intact. So yeah. After some picking and fluffing, these are the results that I got. My hair was super voluminous, super soft, it was super moisturized, it was shiny, the curls were defined, super bouncy. All in all, I had a great wash and style day with the Mielle Organics new Oats and Honey collection. If you guys suffer from scalp issues or just want to try something new, I definitely recommend these products. So if you like these types of videos where I do product reviews, please leave me a thumbs up as well as hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.